Yo, what up? I'm Linz, and this is my massive sewer street diorama from Linz Labs. So check this thing out, guys. I think this is my second largest diorama that I've made. Obviously behind the Mos Eisley Cantina, that one's pretty hard to beat. But my brother has been getting super into Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figures, and he's given me a few, and he's kind of actually gotten me hooked on a few of them as well. Actually, I really like the Universal Monster ones. I looked around online to see kind of what other people were doing with their Mutant Ninja Turtle dioramas, and I found some decent options, but I noticed a lot of these were just like wickedly expensive. And I kind of knew going into it that I was gonna probably design my own diorama. I wasn't sure exactly that it was gonna reach the scale that it has, but I was definitely a little disappointed in the idea that if you were a ordinary or dedicated collector and you just wanted kind of something small or something huge, just any option for like a sewer street diorama that is affordable, modular, customizable. I just thought that there was kind of no good option, and I wanted to see if I couldn't bring that option to collectors, and this is kind of the result of that work. So to break down this kit, you have 3 separate modular components. They each have their own unique accessories, their own different walls. You can see that we've got the door, the window, different holes, cutouts for the bricks falling out. The far left piece has this kind of like runoff component. And I can imagine if you really wanted to spend a lot of time customizing this, you could mold some water out of clay and kind of have some like water running off of the pipe. I think that would look really cool. So because there are 3 unique components, each with their own kind of unique features and designs, the idea is that the whole thing is interchangeable and modular. So I could switch around the walls, the sewer walls, the street walls. I could put the manhole left or right side. And so if you are a toy photographer or like somebody who's really serious about kind of making your own scene, displaying it exactly how you want, this is, in my opinion, a very ideal kit for that. Obviously, if you have a 3D printer, you can kind of print all these pieces out yourself, experiment with it. But if you don't, I still want people to be able to kind of get exactly which scene, which setup that they want that fits their display. So since I have these physical kits available, you can always reach out to me and I'll be able to switch around accessories or move the different walls around. If you wanted the door wall and the manhole cover, since they come in different packs, if you wanted those together, just hit me up and I would definitely set that up for you. Just some other notable features. It's obviously huge. I think the whole thing is just over 3 feet long and almost 2 feet tall. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out a place for it. So as always, the files and information for this diorama, all that's going to be on my website, linzlabs.net. I really appreciate you making it this far into the video. If you made it this far, that usually means that you're into dioramas or kind of stuff like this. So I would really appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, because that would also help push my content out on YouTube, which will show this stuff to more people, which I would really appreciate. I'd really like to grow, and I'd really like to get these affordable kits that are modular and a good base to start for customization. I would like to get these kits out to more people. I would like more people to kind of see this kind of thing, because a lot of the alternatives are pretty expensive, and I just kind of want to be that bridge for collectors and toy photographers, nerds, and people alike that just want to have something cool that also doesn't cost so much. Anyways, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.